Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Colour-Varesine Blue metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a dark grey contrast finish, really complementing against the Colour-Varesine Blue metallic exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Also located within the boot is your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have light cloud and ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and once we come around you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. And if we take a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 19,713 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have your tow bar, allowing you to deploy or stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. You of course also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response drive modes, your adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Of course, you also have the 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, and perhaps if you need that bit more help, you also have the park assist, whether this is to help you park or leave a space, making it even easier than before. Now, the front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.